Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart your Roku Express. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate with our Roku Pilot. Simply press the left button in order to find settings and then press OK on the settings. Scroll all the way down or one app to find system, and here press OK. Scroll down, go for system reset, restart, click OK, and then OK again. And now your Roku player will turn off and then quickly turn on again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.